Hi, this is Tom Larson with Tech Training for Teachers. Today we're going to teach you how to use the newest feature in Google Meet, virtual backgrounds. Let's get started. After joining a Google Meet, click on the three-dot menu in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. From here, click the Change Background option. In addition to the virtual background, you also have two levels of the blur effect. This way, if you don't have a green screen like me, you can essentially blur out any objects in the background that may cause a distraction. To apply a virtual background, simply click on the thumbnail and the effect goes live. To remove the effect, click the Turn Off Background icon. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching today's video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also click the notification icon so you know when new content is posted.